The following operator training video is for the Hobart FT1000e Low Energy Series Flight Type Dish Machine. The dishwasher is equipped with electronic digital controls to allow greater precision for cleaning ware, maintaining required tank temperatures, and other advanced functions. Some of these functions are customizable to suit the needs of your kitchen operation. All customization is performed through the on-screen menu using the Up, Down menu, Enter, and Stop Back keys located on the keypad on the control box door. The following prompts are used inside the menus. The Up and Down arrow keys are used to change parameter values and to navigate the menu. The Enter key is used to accept a value, perform a specified action, or enter a submenu. The Back key will always revert back to the previous menu screen. The text just to the right of the greater than symbol on the display screen shows what action or command will occur by pressing the Enter key. This has been the operator training video for the Hobart FT1000e series flight type dish machine. If you have further questions, consult your operation manual. Visit our website at www.hobartcorp.com or contact your Hobart representative.